What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get or find CoinGecko API key. So, you might be wondering, how can you actually get your API key here in CoinGecko? Well, in this case, there are a few things I need to understand here. Now, API keys is a developer feature here. So if you want to really utilize that here in CoinGecko, you need to access a very specific page here. Now, you want to go to CoinGecko.com here, and you want to go and maybe access your account, log into your account if you can, and you want to go to API. I see at the very top here. Now, there are different types of API keys here. So you have Crypto API, NFT API, on-chain DEX API. So go ahead and choose one that you are going to utilize. Like for example, if you want to get a Crypto API, go and choose Crypto API. Now, in Crypto API, you need to understand here that, again, like what I said before, it's a developer option. So if you click on the Get Your API Key button here, it should redirect you to the pricing page. Now, in order for you to get access to API keys, you need to get at least one of the following plans here. Now, you have the Analyst plan here, the Lite plan, the Pro here, which in this case, correspondingly, they are $129 per month, $499, or in this case, $999 Pro per month. So, yeah. So, in this case, in order for you to access API keys, you need to get a plan here. So, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.